Yeah, this young Quez. Go ahead, do something, you know. I sit down and speak. Cause I'm the second best rapper alive, man. Yeah. Bitch, that's the shit I don't like. That's the bitches, what I don't like. I hate when that bitch thinks she right, She two-tone, don't like that shit. I don't like, we don't like. I'm from the fucking shot, you know that we'll fight. Run out of bullets out our gun, we gon' use a knife. I'm in this boy, I don't need no fucking gun. Type of devil nigga, fire flaming, I'll let you burn. I am on, I ain't dissing no beat, and I ain't dissing these G's. We got the 40s and streets, yeah. I am a monster, you can call me the best. The type of nigga go to sleep, ammo strapped with my vest. You know how we do it. This ain't about no movie. I'm trying to just chill, lay back, eat popcorn with a groupie. Cock back to Thule. I'ma let you have it. It's like you're flying cause you in space with no graphic. Nigga, you're lame doing things from the brain. Dunk the ball, LeBron James going high risk. Fuck up. Okay, gotta remaster the beat. Told the pussy to take a seat. I'm Lil Wayne and you'll get pieced. I'm on my mission like impossible. Guns that is impossible. Sophical. Use big words like jacodical. You niggas is lames, I ain't talking these things. For the guy get out of line, I punch a mother in his brain. I ain't never been a joke. In Chicago, you will get poked, and we'll poke your girl so much, her tummy will have a stroke. I ain't lying. You know you lying, so you mean you're dying, and if you're dying, tape the climb like a clock, but you gotta rewind so you can tell a nigga, and a nigga tell me Deja Nunu, shout out to the real G.
Hey, wait.
Bang, bang.